So for this tile cutting frame, I used 2x4s. It took two 8-foot long 2x4s, 96 inches. I was able to use one for each side rail and the other 2x4 for these middle pieces. And instead of screws or nails, I like to use Kreg screws. They're kind of pocket screws. And they're hidden. They hold very well. And put a nice clean look on the outside. Just a cutting table, but I like to use Kreg screws anyway, along with Gorilla Glue and clamps. And here is the pocket hole jig. Has different notches for different thicknesses of wood. This is set for 1.5 inch 2x4, which of course is 1.5 inches thick. I use a vice grip with a flat pinching surface. And here is the pocket screw drill bit. You set it at the right depth. This is set for 2.5 inch length pocket screws. There they are, pocket hole screws. And there's the Gorilla Glue that I use for the frame. And basically insert it into any of these holes. I go for the outside and it drills out. All the sawdust comes out of this little hole, and then I flip it over. Once that side is done, I attach it to this so I could do this outside hole. So there's two nice neat holes, and it holds very well. Like and subscribe for more content. Thanks, guys.